ঢাকার one and only Zen Aesthetic Food Court কোথায় আছে জানতে চাইলে don't skip this video. This is hands down the most luxurious food court Dhaka has to offer. The warm lights, soft texture and earthy tones are inspired by the Japandi Zen aesthetic, making every corner here picture perfect. একই ছাদের নিচে পেয়ে যাবে অনেকগুলো রেস্টুরেন্ট আর picture friendly interior. They offer a variety of cuisines under one roof and we tried them all. From Taste of Adana, we tried their Turkish pide followed by their Turkish Adana and shish mixed kebab platter. Both were absolutely delicious and highly recommended. Next up, we tried the chimichurri chicken platter from Mexicana, which was full of flavors and came with a taco as well. Dallas Express served us a platter with fried rice, chicken cutlet, fried chicken and veggies. Overall, it was pretty filling. Surprisingly, Spice and Sea Delight had an amazing doi fuchka, and we ended the day with my favorite, brown sugar boba milk tea from Rancha. Next, hangout কিন্তু এখানে আসতেই হবে. This place is called Food Avenue এবং তাদের লোকেশন হচ্ছে পল্লবী মেট্রো স্টেশনের ঠিক পাশে.